Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
The ligaments supporting the uterus. The ligaments supporting the uterus can be of two types: primary ligaments supporting the uterus and secondary ligaments supporting the uterus. Primary ligaments supporting the uterus include pubocervical ligament, cardinal ligament, which is the strongest, and uterosacral ligament are the primary ligaments supporting the uterus. Then secondary ligaments supporting the uterus are round ligaments. In round ligament, the round ligament originates from the cornu of the uterus and it passes through the inguinal canal and gets inserted into the labia majora. Round ligament is the secondary supporting the uterus because it keeps the uterus in anteverted position. Then broad ligament does not support the uterus. Broad ligament does not support support the uterus. Then if you were asked what are the ligaments which keep the uterus in anteverted positions, include the round ligament followed by uterosacral ligament. Then the ligament which helps to keep the uterus in retroverted position is uterosacral ligament followed by round ligament.
thank you and thank you for watching.